How to install Kurzweil 3000 for Windows computers. This video will demonstrate how to install the desktop version of Kurzweil 3000. We will cover how to uninstall the old version of Kurzweil 3000. You can skip this step if you've never installed Kurzweil on your computer before. Next, we will show you how to download and install the latest web license of Kurzweil. Lastly, we will install extra Acapella voices. Uninstalling an older version of Kurzweil 3000 will not cause you to lose any Kurzweil documents, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. In your Windows control panel, go to Programs and Features. In your Programs and Features list of installed programs, find any older version of Kurzweil 3000 installed. Select Kurzweil 3000 and then click the Uninstall button. Follow the prompts to uninstall Kurzweil 3000. For example, choose Yes to uninstall the software and Yes to restart your computer. After restarting, you should no longer see a Kurzweil 3000 shortcut on your desktop or Start menu. Download the latest software from the Kurzweil 3000 website. The link will be in the description box below. Right-click the web license version of the link and choose the option Save Link As. Save the installer file to your desktop. Press Save to save the file. To view the status of the download in your web browser, whether it be Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, etc., you can press Ctrl+J to open your Downloads library window. Once the file finishes downloading, double-click the file to open it. If you receive any security warning windows, press OK or Run or Allow. Next, click Install to start the installation process. Press the Install Web Licensing Software and Next buttons when prompted. When prompted for customer information, enter the name of the primary user of the computer and press Next. If you are unsure whose name to enter, just ignore this step and press Next. Choose to do a complete install and press Next. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. At the end of the process, you will be asked to finish and restart your computer. After you restart your computer, you should see a Kurzweil 3000 shortcut on your desktop. Installing extra voices. You can download the Acapella voices from the same Kurzweil website. The link is in the description box below. Find a voice package that you'd like to use, such as the North American and South American voices. Right-click the Windows link and choose the option Save Link As. Save the voice installer file on your desktop, and then press Save to save the file. This will start a download process, saving the file to your computer. Once the file finishes downloading, double-click the file to open it. This will start the installation process. If you receive any security warning windows, press OK or Run or Allow. Follow the prompts to install the voice package. Choose to do a complete install and press Next for each window. Once the installation is complete, close the Kurzweil program and reopen it. The additional voices will appear under Audio Options in the upper right corner. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or needs regarding the use of Kurzweil 3000, please contact us at dspamc@berkeley.edu. Thank you.